Hi, this is Tariq from Illustrator tutorial. I will elaborate difference between Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Photoshop and Illustrator are both powerful tools for digital design, but they are used for different purposes. Photoshop is primarily used for photo editing and manipulation, allowing users to make changes to existing images, create composites, or add digital effects. Its tools are geared towards working with pixels, so it's ideal for tasks like removing blemishes, adjusting brightness and contrast, and adding filters. Illustrator, on the other hand, is a vector-based program, meaning that it uses mathematical equations to create illustrations, logos, and other graphics. The advantage of vector graphics is that they can be resized without losing quality, making Illustrator ideal for creating graphics for a variety of mediums, such as logos for print or web, illustrations for books or packaging, or icons for websites and apps. In summary, Photoshop is best for photo editing and manipulation, while Illustrator is best for creating vector graphics, illustrations, and logos. Both programs have their own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them will depend on the specific needs of your project. Thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel.